Today I'm going to explain this. Is for the Krew. So this is funny, and that's Rainbow. In real life, Rainbow's really short, so I put shorter at the bottom. And then there's Gold. She was so fed up of being called short, she decided to put mustard in all her makeup and her hair. And then Gold basically got possessed. And then Gold started running after her. And then she went to Luna, and they were getting bored until Draco turned the lights on. This is Luna's face. Then she starts yelling, "Rainbow, rainbow, 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 and rainbow," until she looks down and stepped on her. Ooh, that's gotta hurt. And then the Draco turned the lights on with a silly face, and you know when the Krew did Krew React, Rainbow kicked him really hard on the ankle and in the face. And that's it. Let's go over it again.